Hi guys and welcome back. I'll be showing you guys how you can make animals in Tinkercad, a platform by Autodesk so that you can create 3D models of several things that you can print out using your 3D printer. So let's make a cat, for example. Click on create your first 3D design to create the cat. So a plane that will act as the base of the cat will be shown. So to create the cat, click on this sphere object, place it here, for example, and then you can stretch it to the right to create the body, for example. Hold on, you can rotate it. Hold on, to the right. Just hold on, 90 degrees. Hold on. Actually, we have to like make this part of the body, thinner. Alright, we have created our body. Let's create the face. Click on the sphere object, place it here, and then let's say if we place it just like this so that it's centered. So and then we shall place it upwards just a bit, and then we can just place it to the back so that the head is attached to the body of the cat, and then you can resize it to your liking. So for example, the face of the cat is as chubby as this, for example. Okay, let's move the body upwards, just upwards a bit, just like this. Alright, let's make, alright, we need to heighten up the body a bit. Let's make the ears. Click on this paraboloid, place it here, and then make it smaller by dragging the pins just like this. Hold on. Make the tip taller slightly, and then bring it to the top, resize it a bit, rotate it to the right, and then place it around here. Okay, we need to place it upwards again, then place it to the right again. Guess so. We just place it downwards, place it to the back, and then we increase the size of the tip, and then copy and paste this, Control C, Control V, rotate it to the right, then place it here. Cute. Let's color this white. So let's say if we want to make a white cat that is pretty much popular in the anime world. For example, cats there are mostly white. So let's make eyeballs. Sphere, make it smaller, 5. Okay, hold on. Make the sphere thinned just like this, and then bring it upwards, bring it to the back just like this, and then rotate it to the right slightly. Cute. Let's color it black. Ooh, cute. Control C, Control V, and then rotate it like hold on, to the right again. Hold on. Wait. Just like this. Ooh, fancy. Let's bring it closer to the nose area. So all set pretty much. We have to place the eyes closer. It'll take some time to like bring the eyeball to the back. Hold on. Can place it here, for example. Cute. Now let's make the nose. Click on this roof tool, and then decrease the width. Rotate it like 180 degrees. Make it smaller, just a little bit. Just like this. Hold on. Then let's say if we want to color the nose pink, change the solid color to pink. Place it here. Hold on. Bring it upwards. Drag this one, and then hold on. Bring it upwards. Bring the nose upwards so that it it fits with the face. Just like this. Ooh, looking cute. Zoom out, zoom in, and then decrease the size of the nose just a little bit, just like this, until it's small enough. Bring it upwards a bit. Cutie. Oh, such cutie. Place it to the left a bit. Then let's make the legs. Click on the paraboloid icon. Change the width to this. And then we can decrease the size of it. Let's color it white. Then rotate it so that it's rotated like this. Place it around here. Cool. Let's copy this. Control C, Control V. Then we rotate it just like this. Place it slowly. And then for the back legs, we need to make it bigger. Control C, Control V. And then make it slightly larger. Just like so. That's too large actually. Just like this would do. Make it a bit taller. Then place it here. Control C, Control V. No, hold on. Control C, Control V. Rotate it. Just like this. Place it. Place the other leg here, for example. Ooh, looking cute now. Let's make the tail. And finally, to make the tail, you'll have to go to shape generators and then hit the magnifying glass icon to search donuts. Here you go, we have the tail. So let's place it here. Rotate it just like so, hold on. And then place it upwards, bring it upwards, and then place it here. And then you rotate it this way. Place it downwards again. Then you want to reduce the, the radius and the arc as well. Hold on. Wait. Place it here pretty much. Now you can do some tweaks with the radius. Decrease the radius so that, it's shorter, much shorter. And then you bring it upwards, just like this. And then you rotate it like this so that, the tail touches the ground. Bring it downwards a bit. Place it to the back. Alright, now, looking cool. You can even, increase the arc amount so that the tail gets longer, just like this. Maybe we have to rotate it more so that, it really touches the ground. So, not exactly touching the ground so that, it creates this wagging kind of look for the tail. Cool! You've created your cat now. And that is how you can create animals in Tinkercad. a platform by Autodesk where you can model something. For example, this cat for you to print by using a 3D printer so that you have this miniature of this cat in real life that's printed out. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Meow. Meow meow.